It was easier going out. What? How come you're cruising so fast? Yeah, yeah. Why are you going my way? Finally, I caught up with you. Jesus. Oh my god, I haven't paddleboarded in years. Goes into fucking pro mode. Are you supposed to lean back in this?
Huh?
Are you supposed to lean back in this? I like this part. This is my favorite right here.
Huh?
This is my favorite.
This is my favorite part.
This right here. The one where I can just kind of like stop it and chill kind of thing. Is your boat coming? No? Yeah, how is it? Is it good or is it cheap feeling?
No, I love it.
Yeah?
I'm so glad we bought it. And I like the fact that it's wider.
Yeah?
Yeah. Stand up. It takes a lot of skill.
Does it? Because you have to keep yourself level, yeah?
You gotta have balance.
I don't know how to get the drips to not drip on me. Is that inevitable?
So you see those rings that are on the inside of your hand?
Yeah.
Put them on the outside of your hand.
Like this?
Yeah, you can move them.
Oh, shit. I didn't know that.
Better?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, now I don't drip. Oh, that's convenient.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Happy.
I'm just trying to learn how to... There's a boat coming in.
Which is a good idea.
I know you like stuff like this, and I know I don't like stuff like this, so I'm trying to find like a medium.
Well, this was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah. But I was super uncomfortable the whole time. Now I'm a little better, but going out there, I was Are they coming all the way down here?
It was a lot less effort to get it going than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was pretty easy. Just throw the stuff in and just gonna hop down. You know?
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
It's nice to know that like that's an option, you know, that we can be like, let's go kayaking and
Yeah. The seat wasn't as wet as I thought it was going to be. It actually dried really, really quick.
A floating dock would make things really easier.
It would, yeah?
You know, we're almost back.
No. I just can't, for whatever reason, I can't go fast this way. And I keep dripping water all over me.
Look at which way your paddles curve. You should be, no, the other way. Yeah. You want the curved side pushing the water. You want to push more water.
You want the what side?
The curved side. See how mine?
But it was easier when we were coming out to use the other side.
Well, then you'd be pushing less water. And water against the current.
Okay, that makes sense, yeah. Which one's your dock?
Huh?
Which one's your dock?
One more ahead.
Are we going more in, or we're going back? Let's go in. Huh? Unless you're tired. If you're tired and you want to go back in bed.
I'm sorry.
Look, they have chairs here.